अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है? ठीक है, उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे। आप सब ठीक ठाक हैं? हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो आज आ गए हम एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। गेट लाइव का न्यू प्रोजेक्ट बूम। तो आज हम बूम मचाएंगे प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। सो वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव। तो उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे सब। वेलकम। मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। Welcome Gate user, welcome. So Gate Live Launch Pool Candy Drop Boom Alpha Boom हाजिर है आपकी खिदमत में। तो इसके जितने भी सारे फ्यूचर हैं उनके बारे में मैं आपको एक एक करके बताऊंगा। सो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा एंड तक। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच। Welcome Gate user, welcome my friends, thank you so much. So Boom will list for spot trading on Gate with a series of events including launch pool, candy drop and alpha. So Gate will launch spot trading on July 2025 to reward platform. Welcome Hiba my dear, welcome Mehdi Hassan Rafi. How are you Hiba? Welcome to join my live stream. Hiba, how are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. तो आज तो हिबा ने दिल खुशी कर दिया। स्ट्रीम इट स्टार्ट होते ही मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में आ गई। थैंक यू सो मच हिबा। So user Boom. Boom will feature the following events: launch pool, candy drop, and alpha. Join us and experience it. So spot trading gate will listening Boom at spot trading on July 8, 2025 at 12 UTC. Deposit Boom. So this is a deposit address of Boom and trading Boom. This is USDT market view. So this is a trading address and token ID BSCN. Welcome to joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. I am good, my dear Hiba. And how are you? Good to see you here to join my live stream. वेलकम। तो शाइनिंग स्टार, वेलकम। शाइनिंग स्टार भी आ गए हैं हमारी लाइव में। वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट जॉब, थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर हिबा। हाउ आर यू हिबा? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। हिबा, हाउ आर यू हिबा? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम गेट यूजर, वेलकम माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय। ओहो, हिबा की क्लास हो रही है। हिबा क्लास हो रही है इस टाइम। हिबा क्लास? कौन सी क्लास? गर्मी में क्लास? कहीं घर वाले तो आपकी क्लास नहीं ले रहे? वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम शाइनिंग स्टार एंड वाई बेसर। वेलकम माय डियर वाई बेसर, हाउ आर यू? Join my live stream. So token ID you can see launch pool. Boom launch pool will start mining on July 9, 2025. Stake Boom on GT2 from rewards from a 1.250.000 Boom price pool within Horley reward claim. So click the join now button my dear. So you can join now on Boom. Boom. So launch quick stake unconditional new tokens 2.273.1 million and funds rise to 9.01. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome my dear. Welcome to join. So participant is 5.76 million plus. Welcome to all of you my dear. So estimated reward, total reward is 355.3k. Thank you so much for joining live stream my all dear friends. So हिबा, how are you? हिबा कैसे जा रहे हैं आपके? ओहो, ऑनलाइन क्लास जा रही है। मुझे लगा शायद घर वाले आपकी क्लास ले रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच हिबा for joining live stream and comments here. Beautiful comments. Thank you so much हिबा for joining live stream. एंड शाइनिंग स्टार के लिए ब्यूटीफुल मैसेज आया है हिबा की तरफ से। वेलकम क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, वेलकम गेट यूजर, वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। एग्जाम कैसे जा रहे हैं हिबा? आई होप ओके जा रहे होंगे। So this is a all pool. You can see the my previous projects ARCAD and now I am Boom. So now go to the official page of Boom. So Boom is the pioneer AI powered data innovative layer bridge of chain active and on chain economies. Boom support gaming, social network, real world assets and capital markets thought intelligent degenerations in fluctuates. So this is a two pool of this projects. You can see the two pool of this projects. So number one is the official pool, Boom pool. Token staking reward. Total staking reward 625.000. Boom. So participation is 7.747. Thank you so much, Hiba. Thank you so much, Iron, and welcome Temur, welcome Gate user, welcome Winey Gravity. Thank you so much, Hiba, for joining live stream, and Ybaser. So welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome again. Welcome back, Crypto MacBook and Ataullah Afridi. So token stake Boom. Price pool hourly cap is 3.255.2 Boom. Mining period is 8 days. Individual hourly reward cap is 358.07 Boom. Total stake 16.457.830.86 Boom. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So APR is 333.23%. So this is the official pool of Boom. So you can stake now. So click the stake button and one minimum Boom you can stake now. So now go to the number two pool. So this is a GT pool. You can trade on GT and stake on GT. So you can see available my balance 6.89 GT I have. So total staking reward is 625.000 Boom. Participation is 8.919 Boom. Welcome my dear Crypto भाई, thank you so much for joining live stream. So अब लग रहा है कोई सगे सगे रिश्तेदार भी आ गए लाइव स्ट्रीम में. Token stake GT. Price pool only cap is 3.2552 Boom. Mining period is 8 days. Individual hourly reward cap is 358.07 Boom. वेलकम थैंक यू सो मच. ओके मतलब मुझे ये मेरी स्ट्रीम चल रही है. टोटल स्टेक 1.251.975.6. तो भाई वेलकम. लगता है आप गलत स्ट्रीम में आ गए हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो क्रिप्टो शाइनिंग स्टार की तरफ से ब्यूटीफुल कमेंट्स आ गया है. यूर डेडिकेशन एंड पैशन ट्रूली इंस्पायर us all. Thank you for always giving your best. Thank you so much Crypto I and Shiva. तो Crypto I मुझे बाकी का टब्बर नजर नहीं आ रहा, किधर रह गया. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So you can stake now. You can see my balance. My balance is available 6.89 or maximum you can see the 0.0. You can stake now on GT. So now go to the official website of Boom. Welcome Lonely Tree, welcome Firlin Baba, welcome Gate user, welcome No Time. Thank you so much my dear. You giving a time, no time. So from off chain to on chain, new paradigm. You can see the beautiful website of Boom. So launch Gaver Boom. So this is a beautiful and classy website. You can see the क्रिएशन ऑफ दिस वेबसाइट. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन आपको गर्ल्स हो. क्रिप्टो आई शाइनिंग स्टार, थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम माय डियर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. यस मुझे पता है आप गर्ल्स की लाइव स्ट्रीम में नहीं जाते. क्रिप्टो आई, आप नवाज शरीफ के बाद दूसरे शरीफ आप ही हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. The pioneer AI driving data initiative layer for the real time. So you can see the big on type. Welcome to join my live stream world. So go to the boom gamer boom. So this is a game website. This is opening. Welcome Vibe sir. Welcome my dear. Welcome Crypto Princess. MT. Welcome. Thank you so much. So our potential empowering real gamers. So build EVM address. This is a download app and the go to the boom. So gamer booms. You can see the beautiful game and this is all game of boom. Welcome T-Rex and welcome my dear Shining Star. You are amazing live streamer. Oh, thank you so much Crypto Eye for the compliments of Shining Star. The first AI driving gaming data protocol. Booming games, infinity fun. So you can see the fun. So you can see my dear, this is all of fun. Lowest barrier to entry for the gamers. Direct overloaded on mainstream game infrastructure interfaces. Entry barrier for the gamers are slash view the game fight workflow. Game fight innovative layer and AI tagging. Popular Web2 gamers are enhanced with the fun and the rewarding overview. With the gaming data smoothly engagedly thought the AI driving data tagging system. Thank you so much, Shining Star, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much. Shining Star की तरफ से एक और खूबसूरत मैसेज क्रिप्टो आई के लिए मैसेज है क्रिप्टो आई यू ब्रिंग बोथ जॉय एंड द वैल्यू एवरी टाइम यू गो लाइव मैसिव रिस्पेक्ट थैंक यू सो मच मतलब आपका कहने का है कि क्रिप्टो आई ज़्यादा सके हैं थैंक यू सो मच सो ब्रॉड compatibility with most games potential compatibility with the most mainstream games enable games over to seamless on board 3.2 billion global gamers open ecosystem for gaming data. An open ecosystem will be built open game related AI data covering to the IAO platform game production, market degeneration, advising market and the deep in platform. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Crypto Princess. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much Crypto I and Crypto Shining Star. Thank you so much. Crypto champion, you are not just a streamer, you are a role model. Hats off you, hard work. Thank you so much for joining live stream and the beautiful comments again and again, my dear. डेली खुश कर दिया आपने एक ही दिल है कितनी बार जीतेंगे आप शाइनिंग स्टार थैंक यू सो मच सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस के भी बहुत ही कमाल के मैसेज आ रहे हैं शाइनिंग स्टार यू आर शाइनिंग इज योर ओन लाइट नेवर स्टॉप ग्लोइंग Thank you so much for the beautiful compliments of Shining Star. So start overview. You can see the start overview, my dear friends. Total transaction is 5.176.736. Registration user is 6.562.454. Boomer Angel is 25,000. You can see the 25,000. So this is a Boomer Angels. Welcome the date, welcome gate user, welcome Kaktushko, welcome 80 Sweet Crops. Welcome, thank you so much. Similar gamer experience as you. Thank you so much, Hassan BD. How are you, Hassan BD? Crypto Princess. Salute to a consensus and the energy. You are a real example of excellence. Shining Star, Amin, thank you. May Allah bless you even more. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Similar gaming experience as usual. by adopting UI and UX design for the complementary use. Launchers such as Streamer Epic Gamers and VGame we allow user to maintain their habits without needing to the adoption to the new workflow. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So now go to the deep end with the real business. Identity gamers configurations enable GPU related during the idle periods and help maintenance, thought mining and the advertisements. So you can see the picture of this. So AIO platform. In the future, AI agent will become the best application for user. We are committed to the unleashes the value of data thought AI agent may will gamers boom achieve the until of the product value and the assets attributed of the AI agent view the AIO platform. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear crypto princess and crypto eye and dragon soul. Crypto MacBook again, welcome little fishy. Welcome back shining star, welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Suicroft, welcome Murky Feather, welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome Jabri, welcome Pathy07. Entry potential and the AI agents where gaming meets AI. Driving into the entry potential. GURP. Rewards on your gaming adventure, craft and the own UAI gaming agents and the get start by following the ghost girls. So this is a ghost girl. You can see girls. This is a ghost girl. Welcome, Crypto Champion. Your energy and inspire keep rising and inspiring. So finally मेरे लिए भी एक comments आ ही गया. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Thank you so much. Welcome, Crypto MacBook की तरफ से भी खूबसूरत comments आया है. Crypto Champion, you are leveling up with the energy streaming. Big respect for your hard work and energy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook and Crypto Princess, for the compliments. Thank you so much, my dear, both of you. Thank you so much. So Shining Star का कमेंट्स अभी रास्ते में है, वो भी आता ही होगा. Thank you so much, Shining Star, for your रास्ते वाला कमेंट्स. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook. Mashallah, your energy is unmatched. Keep going. थैंक यू सो मच. क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस ने कहा है सबको हैप्पी करना ज़रूरी है. सो गुड वर्क क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. थैंक यू सो मच. सो मक्खन की टिक्की आप साथ ही लेकर आई हैं जो सबको लगा रही हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम. थैंक यू सो मच. हेवन फॉर द all gamers. Game together, connect forever. Overcome the mission to the create a global stature where gamers can freely imagine templates, connect with the other and the explorer and the bundle virtuals. Real MSC, welcome to the gamer paradise. So you can see the beautiful graph and these all games. You can see the Final Fantastic, Hearthstone and Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, Valorant, team fights and the water webs and the GTA. So this is my favorite game, GTA, Grand Theft Auto 5. So I have auto play. This is my favorite game of GTA. So इसने तो बचपन के दिल याद करवा दिए. Welcome Disney to. Welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, Crypto Champion, and so welcome. Thank you. Make you always rise with the faith and follow fall only into the Sujot. Thank you so much, Crypto MacBook. You are the truly appreciating. Stay the way are you are the chat. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. It's mean a lot. Stay happy and blessed. Yes, I am very happy and I have enjoyed my project. You can enjoy, my dear friends. So Lost Ark, you can see the Lost Ark and Final Fantasy. So you can see the my favorite game is GT, and so second game is here, Call of Duty. Okay. So this is again my favorite game and Call of Duty. So I will play very time. This is my rare. So now go to the roadmap. So Q4 2025 Binance MBB and the BNB chain integrations. Binance BNB. So AI tagging agents and a building Q2 2025 minutes releasing grow. Thank you so much Crypto MacBook and the Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for the joining live stream and the beautiful comments. Thank you so much my dear Crypto Princess. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So Binance BNB will program BNB chain developments and the testing Solana AI hack them. AI agent launch pool testing, AI data tagging system testing, parameters NFT sale, X base AI agent launch, mainnet test and the release supporting game portfolio expansions, agent launch pool, boom fund launch pool. So over partner, you can see the over partners, Nvidia, Base, Lina, OKX wallets. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome back, my dear Shining Moon. Shining Moon ने भी finally हमें join कर लिया. Math wallets, separate Solana. You can see the BNB chain. So BNB chain and the Binance chains. So you can also join the Binance chain. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live. Start by the following us. Don't miss out the latest update. Stay tuned by the following us. Build EVM. So this is the next and roadmap. You can see the other roadmap. So I will show the roadmap next one. So this is the ecosystem and the open ecosystem and the growth. So this is the last one and not open. This is the Q3 and Q4 2025. So app game group and the parameter Podron. So game behavior. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Shining Moon, welcome. Welcome the beautiful queen. Thank you so much, beautiful queen. Welcome, Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Shining Moon, welcome. So how are you, my dear? Thank you so much. So आपकी stream खत्म हो गई उम्मीद है. Welcome, Panda Crypto. So this is a all of you, my dear, you can see the game boomer. So this is a game boomers. You can see the game boomer beggars. So this open it. Welcome Panda Crypto. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome Shizoro. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So quits mining leaderboards. You can see the quits mining and leaderboards. Thank you so much. So this is a community and the medium. So now go to the medium. Thank you so much, Pirko Feather. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome, my dear Shining Moon. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. How are you, Shining Moon? Welcome, gate user. Good to see you, Shining Moon. How are you? Live stream हो गई है Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. How are you, my dear? Welcome. So, welcome, Shining Moon. How are you? Thank you so much. To see you, Shining Moon. आपकी स्ट्रीम हो गई Shining Moon खत्म या अभी कर रही हैं आप लाइव स्ट्रीम? So this is a medium. So medium all blog, you can see the medium boom baggers just level up paid bagger with the 3x reward is alive. Boom is executed to the announce a major update to the bagger game. Paid bagger is now live, enabling player to stake BNB. So this is all. You can see the game gamers boom exclusive in the boom of fresher start for the AI data influxers importers waivers on the fast clumps, no private call or OTC allocations outgoing protect update announcements. So this is all of blog on Medium. So you can see the medium of all blogs. So this is a one of blog I will show you. Welcome back, Shining Moon. Again, welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream, Shining Moon and Crypto Princess. Thank you so much. Welcome, Gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, Shining Moon and Jing Chong. Welcome, Gate user MJ30. Welcome to join my live stream. So this is a blog of, you can see the paid bagger is a now live. Boom is a executive and announced a major update to the bagger game. Paid bagger is now live, enabling players to stake BNB for a chance at 10x rewards. More than just boosting their prize pool, paid baggers introduce a new path for the competition and it's ensured that even new players can catch up and the completed meaningful is the Boom ecosystem. Thank you so much for joining ZX Spangling and the MJ30. So number one, pad baggers for the 10x reward. The pad baggers feature allows the player to the participation using BNB signifies increasing to the potentials. Welcome all gate user written for the each games. Baggers key measurements update secret price each pad baggers ticket now cost of you can see 0.00015 BNB. Welcome Mapley Live Green. Welcome Gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So each pad bagger's entry requires so 0.015. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, Justin. Welcome, Mapley, my dear. So ticket limit entry user may be beggar up to the 50 tickets per day across both the free and the paid beggars communities. So rewards multiplayer paid beggars now offer 3x reward multiplayers. Reward pool competitions AI all BNB to purchase ticket to the convert to the GBT points and the add to the day price pool and the boom instigation additional GPT points into the rewards pool daily to the future boost rewards. Welcome Crypto Queen 1. Thank you so much Crypto Queen 1 for joining my live stream. So finally आप भी आ गई हैं. Settlement time the game automatically settles and the 12 p.m. UTC each day. Reward distribution, you can see the reward are distribution based on the user profession. Walaikum assalam. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome. Walaikum assalam. How are you Crypto Coin 1? Thank you so much. कैसी हैं आप? Thank you so much for joining my live stream. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं ठीक हूँ और बहुत खुश हूँ और अब आप आ गई हैं तो डबल खुश हो गया मैं. वेलकम एंड शाइनिंग मून भी इधर ही हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है अपने सारे दोस्तों को एक साथ देखकर. थैंक यू सो मच शाइनिंग मून, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक एंड क्रिप्टो कोइन 1. So blog is end is here. So now go to the packet point and foundations. Foundation Boom MIAI and .io. So Boom Foundation, you can see the Boom Foundation pioneering decentralization data economies. So airdrops, over visions, Boom innovations as shameless integration of off-chain, active and the on-chain economies involving from the gamer booms to a leading AI-powered data initiative layer. We bridge gaming, social network, real-world assets, RWA, and the DeFi markets empowering. Thank you so much. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, ये अल्लाह पाक का शुक्र है. पूछी हुई बहुत आपको देख के क्रिप्टो कोइन 1. कैसी हैं आप? क्या लेकर आई हैं आज मेरे लिए? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम क्रिप्टो क्वीन वन। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच। Digital marketing empowering user to the transfer, scaling, influx, and the assets and the intro and digital assets in the transparent, inclusive ecosystem full complements with the regulations. So new paradigm. So this is a new paradigm. You can see the new paradigm. So now go to the ecosystem and boom waivers. So you can see the ecosystem already. So now go to the docs and white paper of this project. So about boom, the Pioneer AI driving data innovative layer for the real world. So boom is the Pioneer AI powered data innovative layer designed to the bridge the gap between the off-chain actives and the on-chain economies evolving from the gamer boom. The platforms now the support not just gaming but also social network, real world assets RWA and the internet social capital marketing, thought intelligent generation, data infrastructure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Crypto Queen. Thank you so much. काफी है, काफी है. Welcome Nasir 9988. Thank you so much for joining live stream. And send a flower and heart. Thank you so much, Crypto Queen One. Thank you so much. आप आ गई यही बहुत है मेरे लिए. Thank you so much for joining live stream. थैंक यू सो मच। वालेकुम अस्सलाम क्रिप्टो क्वीन वन, कैसी हैं आप? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग Montry. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Walaikum assalam. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So core future. Beam is a paradigm shifting influxer than the bridge real world data and the blockchain. Banking, welcome. Paid user, welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, Boss Aman. Welcome, Boss Aman. How are you, Boss Aman? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. वेलकम क्रिप्टो क्वीन वन। हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो क्वीन वन? कैसी हैं आप? उम्मीद है कैसी अच्छी होंगी आप। बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। सो दिल और फ्लावर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया आपका। दिल खुश कर दिया आपने दिल भेज के। थैंक यू सो मच। सो आपका ही इंतज़ार हो रहा था। Boom is a paradigm shifting infrastructure and the bridge real world data and the blockchain economy's thought AI driving initiative mentioned as the first AI powered data innovative. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you gate user. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome. So game and as equality. Players can leverage in-game action by the converting loads, box and activity into the AI validated blockchain based assets. These transfer gaming into the value driving ecosystem. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much. So where scale and the time become trouble and digital stake. Social company and welcome Universal Lady, Crypto Universal Lady. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. तो क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी ने भी हमें फाइनली ज्वाइन कर लिया। Social capital markets qualified social influx across platforms, turning engagements and the into popular financial assets AI driving. Welcome, thank you so much. Welcome, my dear crypto universal lady. So, how are you, crypto universal lady? Welcome, crypto doll. So, finally, crypto doll ने भी हमें ज्वाइन कर लिया है. So, मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रहा हूँ हमारे न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. तो गेट लाइव की तरफ से जो प्रोजेक्ट मिला है उसके ऊपर डिस्कस हो रहा है. मैं A to Z गाइड कर रहा हूँ. सो मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा एंड तक. And contribution enabling creators and the community to the monetize their impact through the DeFi ecosystem. AI verified real world assets, layer tokenized real world assets like real estates on the comedians. With AI additional data for the security and transparency, this enabling scalable liquidity finance. Welcome, thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Welcome. Hi. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Hello, everyone. Crypto doll, welcome. Thank you so much, Crypto doll. कैसी हैं आप क्रिप्टो डॉल? उम्मीद है आप लोग भी बहुत जल्द अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करेंगे. So institutional grand data refinance allocates web scale data to the create AI and FX transfers finance instruments. This the complements assets meets the institutional stands will empowering developers and user to innovative in decentralized finance. Welcome, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. So now go to the what is the game boomer. So this is a game boomer. Thank you so much, my dear. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. गुड टू सी यू. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप सबको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देख के. वेलकम जी हैंग हो गेट यूजर. सो व्हाट इज द गेम बूमर? गेम बूमर इज ओवर इनिशिएटिव लेयर एंड द डेटा ड्यूरिंग मॉड्स mining protocol that's aim to the democratizing gaming data and the billions of gamer by the data AI agents. So intelligence, historical game developments and the thank you so much for joining live stream. Data without the remaining over solution harassment, blockchain and technology to secure games. Data ownership will the unlocking signifies. Thank you so much, Crypto Doll. Thank you so much for joining live stream. I am good. How are you? Welcome back, Crypto Coin One. So Crypto Coin One ने भी हमें एक बार फिर से ज्वाइन कर लिया. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. So game booms, start and innovative. Exclusive platform where players, developers, and the data enhances can enhance the earn rewards and the contribute to the traveling AI driving gaming ecosystem. Looking at the I will involve into the shared open network that harness collective insights. Welcome Crypto Queen One. Welcome SGCW. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Good to see you here, my dear Crypto Doll and Crypto Universe ready. Thank you so much, both of you. Welcome, Crypto Coin One. How are you, Crypto Coin One? You are doing great. Good. Thank you so much for the compliments, Crypto Universal Lady, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So historical gamer developments and the leverage pattern player data without the limits over the solution harness blockchain technology to secure the offering to transparency opportunity for the both players and the investors. Game Boom start the inflection platform where the player developers and the data insurers can engage, hunts, rewards, and contribute to the driving AI driving gaming. So ecosystem looking at and the I will involve into the shards open network that the harness calculators inherit the innovative fueled by the its community to the assembly and the scalability. Gamers Boomers is paving the way of the next generation gaming layer that's the unlock limitless opportunity in analysis, rewards, and the creativity potential. Welcome, my dear. Welcome back, Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So finally, Crypto I ने भी हमें फिर से ज्वाइन कर लिया. Thank you so much, Crypto Doll and Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome, family. Welcome. So background. Now next one, the background. The rapid advertisements of artificial intelligence and the fuel to the growth of the varieties closed secure system dynamic. The game industry companies like Epic Games and the Tencents have built powerful yet insurgent platforms offering such as tool for the developers and the embrace and the experience for the players. However, this centers ecosystem come with the hidden drawbacks that hinder the borders gaming community. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Shining Moon. Again, welcome back, Shining Moon. Thank you so much for joining. And Crypto I, my dear, thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto I, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. How are you, my dear Crypto I? कहाँ चले जाते हैं आप? थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद गायब हो जाते हैं. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome Liu 8. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So much. Welcome gate user. So canalizations and closed secure game platforms. Intrusive control is the hand of the few corporations creating isolated silos that the limit development's freedom priority stands and the high switching costs lock creators into the rigid firmwares will unilaters discussions making sidelines community import shifting contributions evaluations. So lock of the welcome to all of you. Thank you so much, Crypto Dot. Thank you so much, Crypto Dot. Thank you so much for joining live stream. क्रिप्टो लेडी का मैसेज आया है क्रिप्टो आई के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम प्रॉफिट एंजॉयर. Current ecosystem participation beyond basic revenue share, data contribution models and the similar developments often see minimal returns for these efforts, damping motivation and the curbing the potential for the growth sources. Innovations, so value distributions, valuations, the wealth data and the engagement generated with these platforms are the regulatory retired to the corporators gains. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much again. Crypto Doll. Executive resistance. Closed platforms impose strategic rules such as the limit modding, compatibility, and the control mechanisms. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Option the potential corporator investor over user credibility. This the conscious confine innovation with the narrow verified boundaries. Over solution. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much. Crypto Universal Lady. Thank you so much for the beautiful compliments. Have a good day, Crypto Universal Lady. So over solution, gamers booms. Ecosystem raised on the three key pillars to the bring our vision to the light. Self-development AI tools with the create AI driving solutions such as the over data trading system with the plans to the open secure additional knowledges. Explore or the progress on the website. Website link is here. You can see the website link. I will show already to the website of Gamers Booms. So open gaming innovative platform Gamers Booms overlays Shameless into the Web2 gamers, enabling players to the earn rewarding thoughtly. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much, Toy and the Crypto Doll. Welcome, Elisa. Welcome, Wahidu. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome, welcome, my dear. Thank you so much, my dear. Crypto I for send a gift for the friends. Thank you so much. So क्रिप्टो आई की तरफ से एक गिफ्ट आ गया है दोस्तों के लिए. वेलकम शाइनिंग स्टार. Thank you so much. So value distribution network players and the creators are innovative where their contributors with the gameplay data on the custom agents are utilize future integrations. Thank you so much for joining live stream crypto I and the send the gifts. So value distribution network players and creators and the innovative when their contribution be the gameplay data on the custom agents and the utilize future interrogations with the blockchain technology with the unregulated financial opportunity empowering rewarding and the person driving economy around gaming data. Add gamer boom every player's action every developer's creations and every data points better we the invite you to join us in the building as a renovatory gaming area defined by the openness fairness and the short success together. Let's redefine gaming as the space where everyone potential. Welcome Abraham, welcome Rock 123, welcome to join my live stream. Welcome, thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much. Kate user and Rock 1234. A game boost, gamer boom, every player's action where developers creation and the every data points matter will invite you to join as the building and a regulated gaming area defined by the openness, fairness and the short success together. Let's redefine gaming as a space where everyone potentials. Welcome other people. Welcome Hassan BD 88. How are you, Hassan BD? So the vision behind Gamer Boom. Gamer Boom was the concept as the response to the Choose challenge, aiming to the response there the gaming landscape into the open and embracive ecosystem where every participant can thrive. Our mission is the empowering gamers, developers, and the data instituted by the leverage, declarations, AI, and the transparent system at Gamer Boom. We champion. So I have already champion. I am also crypto champion, my dear. So you can see the champion. We champion. So open secure interrogation with the support open firmwares and AI tools, fostering the contributive community that drive gaming innovations. Ecosystem instead the reboost rewarding system encourages participation, increasing, ensuring contributors are the recognition and the motivation. Value redistributions, players and the creators gain the innovative from the data and the efforts revealing the playing friends. Freedom of the choice. Welcome, my dear Discovery. Welcome. Good to see you, Discovery. How are you, my dear Discovery? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Discovery. Welcome, welcome. Discovery. How are you? Hello, how are you, my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Good to see you, Discovery. And thank you so much for joining live stream. You also support me and join my live stream every time. Thank you so much. So freedom of the choice and the ready to the tech. You are gaming to the next level. Join the flights and the show the world what you big got. So next one is So Game Boom is a nude shell. So thank you so much. I am fine. Alhamdulillah, I am fine, dear. And good to see you, my dear. Discovery. So now go to the next one. Game Boomer is a natural nutshell. Sita, welcome, welcome, Gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome. Welcome, Gate user. So go to the next one. You can see the picture of this application layer, game data layer, and OpenAI app and Game Boom firmware game care layer. So next one is future of gaming. Together we make what's next. The soul of gaming meets Web3. Gaming remains gaming. What is the Web2 and Web3? The core ensure of the gaming does not change. Gamer Boom mission is to the bring gaming back to the ends roots, bringing to the gap between the traditional gaming and the modern blockchain technology. Be innovative, not to the divide, but to unity and the harmonizer by the integrated Web3 innovative incentive layers and the Gamers Boom Unity 3.2 billions gamer is a low barrier rewarding ecosystem has a traditional with the tomorrow teach. Thank you so much. Walaikum assalam. My dear UID, thank you so much for joining live stream. UID, how are you? UID, my dear Discovery, thank you so much for the supporting. Thank you so much. Such a good friends always, my dear. Walaikum assalam. कैसे हैं आप UID? Welcome gate user. Welcome Waze. So together, the soul of meets gaming. Gaming reminds gamer where to play to own or prove an experience. Game system transfers every jump strategic and the transfer into the blockchain verified assets powered by an AI data tagging system and GameFi engagements. Stop exacting influxes, slashing entry barriers, and the making rewards innovative than the it's just play to earn, it's play to own, and where AI passes turns raw gameplay into the traveler's value, building cutting edge teach with the gaming core. Welcome. Thank you so much, Discovery. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome. Welcome, Baijan. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. I am Sotela, my dear. Thank you so much. Welcome, Impress for the world of the world. So now go to the next one. So this is the obvious and the go to the obvious. Welcome, my dear. So coming back. So data as a gamer currency. Forget Web 2. Data harvests gamer booms. AI against gaming inserts shameless making players. The benefits from the move to the preference data become a crypto packet asset secured and the scalable across an ecosystem. Narrative digital ecosystem. Player as a services stakeholders with the game holders. Welcome Shurban, welcome Temu, welcome Stars, welcome Bisley, welcome my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome UID. Can you tell me if playing future long is haram? Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. So future is haram, my dear. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So AI and gaming, this is the next horizon. Game Boom is just a platform. It's a vision of the AI and the gaming boundless. Potential broad compatibility welcome billions which are the ecosystem unlock analyzing the creativity and the ecosystem opportunity as AI reference real time enhance the blockchain ensure ownership the gaming involves into the participation power of the adoption intelligence and the player on together we are pioneering a Web3 further where every game shapes to the future. Thank you so much, Blixie. Blixie, how are you? Welcome, gate user. Blixie and the Sherpal, welcome, gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. So now go to the next one is the explore the ecosystem. Welcome back, Dragon Ball. Welcome, Shining Star. Welcome to join my live stream. Explore. You can see the explore, my dear. So this is the explore. The ecosystem in the game over ecosystem. Players are the just gaming the fueling of the data revolution. By sharing and the game starts social interaction and the jumping into the competition tournaments for the there of power unique from the data mining. Welcome Shurfil. How are you Shurfil? Welcome my dear. Welcome Ronnie Hassan. Welcome again Dragon Walk. Thank you so much Dragon Walk. How are you Dragon Walk? You can new on gate are you my dear? Thank you so much Light Gap. Welcome, Dragon Walk and Empire of the World. Over AI system step the tagging of the gameplay data with the passion with the straining clear of the personality privacy after deep processing is the map into the universe gaming data layer. A gold mine ready to the supercharged AI turning virtual components education assets prediction markets and the trades add to the win and win players earning rewards and the ecosystem thriving on the reach. So this is a picture of it. You can see the game. Beautiful game. Welcome back, Crypto Doll, and welcome gate user. Thank you so much, Lightcap and Temu. Temu, welcome. Temu, how are you, Temu? Good to see you. Subha Bakhair, my dear. Good morning. Kaifa halu, my dear Temu? Thank you so much for joining live stream, my dear. So GameFight gaming interpretational, you can see the and AI driving data trading system. So gaming data base AI agent launchpad. Suitable tokeny. Thank you so much. One trophy and the gate user. So now go to the next one is the potential of the data mining. So the portal of the data mining. The potential of data mining, you can send the picture of the data mining. Welcome, my dear. So entry potential of data mining. The gaming potential Gamer Boomer desktop app is the overlayer app on the top of the mainstream games, surviving as the zero barrier gateway. Welcome Abu Al, welcome Ataullah Briri, my dear, welcome to joining, welcome Open Order, welcome, thank you so much, Open Order. Within the ecosystem connecting Web3 gamer to the Web3 game universal, its objective is to the smoothly interpretive Web3 innovative while preserving at the improvised game experience of the Web2 game with the innovative game fights design. The gaming app is striving into the enhanced players engagements and the encourage active participation in ecosystem activities. The core elements included top Web2 game integrations, game boomers can support the visit maturity. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome, my dear. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much, my all dear friends, for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear. Welcome, Crypto Doll. How are you, Crypto Doll? Again, welcome. Mustafa 391. So, Crypto Doll भी गायब हो गई थी, वापसी आ गई हैं. Thank you so much, my dear. Welcome. How are you, Crypto Doll? Thank you so much for joining live stream. So, कैसी हैं आप, Crypto Doll? Game Fight Challenge events. So, Game Fight is the app introductions executing the game events. the bringing players together for the thrilling challenge and the rewards. Data analysis and the leaderboards, advanced data analysis capability that the provide insights and into players' behavior trends and preference. Diverse, innovatives, incentive, embrace, reward, maximize, and the innovative stars and are designed to motivate and engage players with the ecosystem. Welcome ZX Spangling. Thank you so much for joining live stream. How are you, Crypto Doll? Thank you so much Crypto Doll for joining live stream and comments here. Thank you so much. बहुत जल्दी आपको भी live stream करते देखेंगे हम. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome all gate user. Welcome. I am good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much stars for follow me. Welcome my dear. तो बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के. God bless you, Crypto Doll, and your family. These core elements work as elements and the create to the embrace ecosystem, the gaming community. Welcome, what you? Welcome, one to you, one trophy. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much. AI driving analysis. Utilize AI algorithms to the provide personalized data tagging, data analyze algorithm, and enhance the strategic based on the user gaming behavior and the preference. Cross-platform compatibility ensure compatibility with the multi-gaming platforms and the device allowing user to the seamless across the gaming data and the assets from the anywhere. Security and privacy. Employers reports to the security and measures and the private consulants to protect user data and the assets, including ensuring to the factor authority and the data analysis. Welcome. Thank you so much. Amin. Thank you so much. Crypto Doll. So Crypto Universe Lady नजर नहीं आ रही, वो गायब हैं काफ़ी देर से. Welcome Amin. Thank you so much Amin for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear. So now go to the final remarks of this project. So other future I will show you. So second future is the Candy Drop. Candy Drop, a candy airdrop platform launched by the Gate, is now hosting an airdrops event in the collaboration with the Brad Boom. Boom user who welcome Amin. Subha Bakhair Amin. Thank you so much Amin. Welcome. How are you my dear? Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome. Welcome Ghost. Welcome my dear. Amin, how are you? I am here. Okay. So लुका छुपी चल रही है. क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में देखकर. सुबह बखैर माय डियर. अमीन कैफा हालू माय डियर्स. अमीन कैफा हालू. कैसे हैं आप? हाउ आर यू माय डियर? उम्मीद है आप भी खैरियत से होंगे और मेरी लाइव को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. So this is a user who participate in Boom trading can share 1.250.000 Boom super airdrops event period July 8 2025 12:10 and July 15 2025 12 UTC. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Universal Lady, thank you so much for joining again live stream and thank you so much. Marhaba, Crypto Champion, Marhaba. Marhaba, my dear Amin. Thank you so much for joining and comments here. Thank you so much, my dear. So join now the candy drop. So I will show the candy drops. Complete task to the claim airdrop 61.80580K. Total participation is 494.2K total airdrops. So you can see the all of projects. So I will complete this project and this projects already you can see, and now I have complete this project. So this projects I have already complete. So this is the end of projects. So how to join? Select the project you are interested in the and the complete the intervention task to earn candies. So complete 100% tasks. So the more tasks you complete to the more candies you can earn and the better you chance to getting airdrops reward will be. So number 3, wait for the airdrop. Check the reward distribution status and the weight of the airdrop. So now FAQ for the candy drop. You can see my dear Kate user, welcome to join my latest team. Crypto champion, I am good and you? I am also good my dear, Alhamdulillah. Ameen my dear, good to see you again. Alhamdulillah my dear, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Ameen 252530. Thank you so much Ameen. So what is the candy drop? Candy drop is an airdrop campaign launched by the Kate. User can earn candies by the completing tasks such as the participating in trading, depositing, inviting friends, and the more tasks you complete, the more candies you earn, increasing your chance to of winning airdrops. So number second is how to earn candies. So you can earn candies by the completed design task in the candy drops task type, including trading specific token deposit, and the more each completes task will grant you can carrots or the amounts of the candies. So number 3 is how to verify the completion of this event's task. After completing the task on the platform with the automatic verify the without requiring manual validation, you will see the promotes of the task and successful completed. Thank you so much, my dear. Welcome star. Welcome my scenario. Welcome. Thank you so much, Amin. Thank you so much for joining live stream again. So when will reward will the distribution? Reward will be distribution to the winner Gate.io account within 14 working days after the events and can be viewed in the wallet billing details user most complete identity verification before claiming rewards. Welcome Timo. Again welcome. Hello everyone. क्रिप्टो डॉल वापसी आ गई. क्रिप्टो डॉल भी लुका छुपी खेल रही हैं और क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्स लेडी भी लुका छुपी चल रही है. थैंक यू सो मच अगेन शाइनिंग स्टार. वेलकम अमीन. So number 5 is can the candies with acclimates for the next events. Candies are exclusive to the each event and cannot be the carrier of to the next one. So now go to the third one, future of this project's alpha. So alpha is a trading. I will show the trading. Welcome. Thank you so much crypto doll. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको. आप बार बार आ रही हैं जा रही हैं. Thank you so much for joining again and again. How are you? तो मुझे लग रहा है आप बिजी हैं कहीं. वेलकम. टुडे चैंपियन इज क्रिप्टो डॉल. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो लेडी यूनिवर्स लेडी. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन नो लुका छुपी. आई एम स्टिल हियर योर स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो डॉल. क्रिप्टो डॉल इधर ही हैं. लुका छुपी नहीं खेल रही लेकिन यूनिवर्सल लेडी लग रहा है लुका छुपी खेल रही हैं. वो अक्सर गायब हो जाती हैं. Thank you so much for joining live stream, both of you. Thank you so much. So you can see the trading. You can see the down of the trade on. So you can trade on your behalf and your capacity and your assets. So my dear friends, so now go to the final remarks of this project. So project's introduction. Boom is the final AI powered data innovative layer bringing of the chain. So active and the on-chain humanity Boon supports gaming, social network, real world asset, and the capital marketing, thought, intelligent degeneration, infrastructure. Thank you so much, crypto champion and the crypto lady. Thank you so much. Crypto lady ने खेल रही हैं लुका छुपी. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. God bless you, both of you. God bless you, you and your family, both of you, my new user, crypto doll and crypto universe lady. God bless you. So note there may be discrepancy between the original content in the English and the any translation version. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information in case any discrepancy across. So Team July 7, 2025. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 3.600 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and the claiming 10,000 to the welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn up to 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app. Desktop. Follow us on X, Twitter. Join our Telegram community. Engage with the over global community. Transparency and the security. Check your 100% proof of reserve. So this is my over projects, my dear. I will show the over project and the overall view of this project. So thank you so much for all of you, my dear, joining my live stream. So boom, my project. So I will show the all future of this. So boom will list on the start trading. So launch full can you drop, and the alpha is the all future. I will show this project. So this is the website of the boom I will show, and this is a website and the white paper. So this is a beautiful website of boom. You can see the website. So this is the official page, and so welcome to all of you, my dear. Thank you so much for joining again live stream. So बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबको मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम में देखकर. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्सल लेडी. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही खूबसूरत कमेंट्स किए आप सब ने, बहुत ही खुशी हुई. सो बहुत ही दोबारा आपसे मुलाकात होगी कल इंशाल्लाह नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ. तो तब तक के लिए अपना सब ख्याल रखें, बहुत सारी दुआओं में याद रखें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर. क्रिप्टो यूनिवर्सल लेडी, क्रिप्टो डॉल, क्रिप्टो आई, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, शाइनिंग स्टार, and Hiba and Discovery and Amin and many my friends. So बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. सो क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, गुड जॉब, keep it up. Thank you so much for the compliments, my both of friends. Thank you so much, Crypto Universal Lady and the Crypto Doll. Thank you so much for joining and मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहने के लिए आप दोनों का बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप दोनों को लाइव में देखकर. थैंक यू सो मच. तो नेक्स्ट लाइव में आपसे मुलाकात होगी. दुआ में याद रखना, बहुत सारी दुआओं के साथ. Allah Hafiz. God bless you and goodbye, all of you, my dear friends. And thank you so much for again for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, all of my friends.